Did you know that Google is currently keeping a detailed profile of everything you do online? Even the things you search for in incognito mode, or the YouTube videos you close halfway through. If you don't turn these 3 hidden desktop settings off right now, you're literally giving Google permission to watch over your shoulder. In this video, I'll show you how to stop it in less than 2 minutes. Step 1. Go to your Google account settings and click on Data and Privacy. Here, you'll see Web and App Activity. This is turned on by default. It means Google saves every single site you visit and every app you open on your PC. Click on it and simply toggle it off. Step 2. Scroll down a bit further to my Ad Center. See how it says On? This is the exact reason why you suddenly see ads catered to you. Click Turn Off in the top right. From now on, Google stops building a commercial profile around you. Step 3. This is the one setting you need to disable immediately. Under View My Activity, we then click on Timeline. Google tracks a detailed timeline of your exact physical movements with your devices, even if you aren't active online. Click Turn Off to lock down your personal data instantly. And you're all set. Keep your data safe, and I'll see you in the next video.